Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to install your app updates on your iPhone or your iPad. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to install those app updates and what steps you need to take to make sure those get installed, and even show you how to turn on automatic updates so that you don't have to worry about doing these updates manually. So stay tuned and I'll show you all that. Hey everybody. Okay, so I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max that I'm going to show you how to install your app updates. It'll work the same if you have an iPad. I'm going to show you how to do it on your iPhone so that you can make sure those updates get installed. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go into your app store. Now, if the app store doesn't show up on the home screen, that's okay. What you can do is you can swipe down from the top and you can type in App Store, and it will be one of the very first things that shows up, and you just go ahead and click on it. Now here, when you open it, it'll show you the today screen, and it's in the top right corner going to show you if you have any app updates. Now I turned my app updates off so that I could create this video for you, but normally I would have these kept turned on so that you could see how you would install them. Now it's been quite a bunch of updates since I turned them off. So what you do is you just click on your name at the top right corner, and then you can see right down here I've got a whole list of available updates. And according to this screen, I have 213 of them at the moment. Now if you wanted to, you could go through each one and you could read about it, or you can just hit at the very top, there's a button that says Update All. Now you can click that, or you can go individually and click Update, 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 and you can just tell it to update each one. Some people would like to actually read what it says. So if you see under this Cracker Barrel one, I can click on where it says More. It'll actually tell me what version it is. It'll tell me how many megabytes it is to download the update. And then I can just click on the button that says Update. So that may be something you want to do. You may just say, I don't care about reading all that. I just want to have them all up to date. Well, that's fine too. Just go ahead and click the Update All button, and instantly everything will just be up to date. Or you can just individually go through and install the updates. Whatever you prefer. It's your preference. The other thing I wanted to show you is how to turn on automatic updates so that you don't have to go through and do this. It would be really nice to be able to have that feature. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so what you want to do, because I still have the App Store pulled up, I'm going to go get out of the App Store. So I'm going to swipe up and go back to the home screen. And then I'm going to swipe down and I'm going to go into the settings. Now, once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down a little bit and you want to look for App Store. And it's going to be down just about a page or so further from what you currently see when you first open it, and you want to click on App Store. Now when you get here, there's an option that says automatic downloads, and it's got a feature for apps and app updates. Now if you purchase and you download an app on another device, your iPad, your Apple TV, your Mac, any other device that you have, you can turn the feature on to do your apps, and what that'll do is it'll automatically, when you purchase it on that other device, it'll put it on your iPhone for you. Or if you purchase it on your iPhone, it'll automatically put it on your iPad or your Apple TV or any of the other devices if you turn this feature on each device, of course. The other thing is the app updates. Now, if I turn this on, your iPhone will stay up to date with all the app updates that come out that are available for your phone. So all you have to do is swipe that on, and instantly, when you slide that on, that feature on for the app updates, it will immediately download all the app updates that are available. And anytime a new app update comes out, it'll go ahead and download that for you as well. So this might be very helpful for you if you don't want to have to go through every week, but sometimes even every single day, and go and download all these updates. This will just keep you up to date continuously, and you never have to worry about it again. So that might be something you want to do. But this would be very helpful so that you could stay secure, make sure your apps will continue to work, and that you don't have any problems with it. Thanks so much, everybody. I hope this was helpful on how you can install your iPhone and iPad app updates and make sure that they stay up to date, and you can do that by turning on your automatic updates. So until next time, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you then. Bye.